Abusua mo akwa from like Black Media. Abusua obi a we di ne dwuma wa Asempa FM e de nsem bia ba betudwa. Na wone eye Collins Amankwaa a wono eye coordinator e de ma Daddy Lumba eye no ho enhyehyeye no. Ono wone ne di nkomo na nsem bi akwa abonte Abusua. Nsem a ekoso ni na nse unim se obi a wo wa Asempa wono wo ye lawyer. Na Ayeka obi ye lawyer papa no wabin ye pa no chiremu e de nsem bi tudwa fa Daddy Lumba ewu no ho se Daddy Lumba wu ye no wo ye we na wo ye no eno say at the end of the day we no mo kan we na say we no ensem ni pia bontin a o ye bia ni ho no ma obewo ho kwan akase bia we na ye no ya ma me oyele ni binti no mekwa akotie mu wo court wo se mre bia ni ho a ewo Ghana ha e kiresa emom emma no ana ono se ekobasa we no Daddy Lumba ama ne baby bia eno no betima akotie me no krampo no sa akora na nya 18 years na Daddy Lumba we no ye ne ne di ampie mu a ene mra bia ni ho no se ba no betima akotie mu na emom sa akora no ye below 18 years na se ne di ama we no mu di a ene akora no ma me betima akotie mu eno da nchen so mo de subo kese pa ebo ma me Akosua Serwaa na afen so odo Bronii se sa akeka ekoso no omo de subo ebo wo mu se omo ena de information se no eba Abusua nsam de omaka bi pese o ka me kwadi nchemu ne basisi e Abusua baby a wo hwe me bia wo haw ne amane kodan na bia da eda wo su bia no bomode se onimi be di nkomo ye de samna nwanwaso bi aba ye fre ne se eye sika kokko na gold samna wo haw bia da eda wo su bia wo hia sa samna we se bi afi wo ye bema wo hwe me wo bema sam wo fom wo bema ye ketwa brabeji bula matali eduro bi na wo bema enye kese watimi abo adwuma so ache ewo empem ye de akwankyere bi aba Abusua no ye hwehwe wo hyebrim a ye fre ne se mpanifa akwankyere ana se wo betima fre back to sender onipa bi ha onipa bi tata wato bet e won ho se wo se ne tibi obeku bomode so be fa numbers ne gu screen ase na woni mi akasa me hwehwe wo hyebrim mu hwi a me bo modde se me kire wo ne wo beye me
ensem a efa you know proper, and I don't can say he's a proper legend, Daddy Lumba Charles Kojofosu. Unfortunately, after his death, one controversy after the other. In the NA Kasakra, there is a statement. Now this time they free Nemana issue statement. Omonso di omano aton semwa kosuno emu. Already when you send the lawyers, Abusua lawyers, the statement aba ne yerio se nya ne yerio se ne yeri Panyin se ensem na kwakwa minim difference we say ba ko de Serwaa Bronii anaso odo Bronii na ba ko de se ye from saying
odo Bronii na yeketo no na Akosua Serwaa.
Okay, odo Bronii na ketwa na wo Ghana ha na Akosua Serwaa na wo
Panyin na wo Germany no yeah.
Oh, okay, Akosua
Serwaa
na Serwaa Bronii ana
okay ketwa no kra ba wo de ka odo Bronii so the president
use we mom
it's unfortunate.
Okay, odo Bronii na Akosua Serwaa. Okay, enti na me pese me hu chronology na how anioma akointi Akosua Bronii no wo Germany no
Akosua
Serwaa na wo Germany on the issue rate no say o court no so waje injunction to a year
ni date no so
okay
so the yiri Panyin no and according to her no anamona Abusua no Abusua Panyin ni ade foso Abusua no date almost any ade nyina no onim ho hwe o man consult into no the injunction to so na akofa nsensem bebre
injunction applications a court in international
ynyante ho asem
montina so grant
Debbie.
Okay, and what it means, they say as we speak there, a year ni date na ni date.
Yes, 6th December no.
6th December. To Kumasi Sports Stadium.
Kumasi.
Okay, and they say Basa court no, my name say interlocutory injunction or say interim. Basa court net national they will know. At least will be an him say interim injunction for 10 days. Court ne grant to about 10 days. Na washe na aseme wo ho no waka say interlocutory I want to believe say interim injunction until the court never grant ni hu de ebeko na o say the problem an say she was not consulted a year in sheshe any bibia okay but ono so say ono na legitimate wife right
ordinance
ono na de any about
ono na Germany
Okay. We may have to find out, say, in German law, no, say, me no worry under the ordinance. Na yente under the same roof. Because I want to believe, say, since Lumba ba Ghana, no, say, omon shada antina mumu.
There be.
For that long.
Because for basically 15 years and counting, the only Bronii no and the Ghana. Yes.
Okay. In the under German laws, so what does that mean for an ordinance marriage? Say, and no stress, separation. We may have to find.
But Ghana laws necessary.
In the Ghana laws, no, say grounds for dissolution of marriage, no, and no, in fact, Ghana didn't put the case say 2 years. If you are 2 years running, you understand. Na month 9, na amount, friend is saying
top money.
Okay. For 2 years, na month 9, enough grounds for dissolution. Well,
yes.
That's Ghana mra. But me name Germany, mra na the Ayeka. Number 2, Ghana had the also a ordinance and a
customary.
Abusua na jiatum so obey customary marriage.
Say o share eno de ba nkata na ba chire no a na foso abusua no reply to or the Akosua Serwaa no omo kire se de omo nim ene so do Bronii ene ye Lumba ire as at the time Lumba ebe free because na aware no so ma ware ordinance no ono maame no de nsa ebre Lumba na abusua se on ware bi mu
maame be
Akosua Serwaa
that's ordinance marriage en fan Sunday go no
nti e ho ne ba bi a argument ni nyina ba be gina but e be obeka se amamre mu no otu sa na mo ne se ontumi aware no na another divorce letter bi so a ne fra Akosua Serwaa ho abeto abonten somewhere 2018 na was state ne me wo mu a eye wono nyina so ntia wodi gya isa aware no na ye whole lot I think say da hon mo bia kan to the point say no say papa no ebro no eni ade ma ni prepra ne ma me wo ye Akosua Serwaa it would say ye bibia ehese kokomu a enipa bi yipie
okay Bengazi fa picture na we to so na yenhwe omo a ehwe yen wo YouTube no ubehu de oye Akosua Serwaa na de oye
odo
Bronii okay intinidi ankasa ni odo Bronii
e odo Presla but odo Bronii na ase popular pa
but ono no de ye customary marriage at least for now
the enim no
okay but onim so say worry under the ordinance mean worry be on council
yes
every other marriage no a void ab initio that is that marriage doesn't even exist
okay
if say you ordinance marriage ayen dissolve mean sign and worry be but until me busa the question say we may have to find out say under German law say only who couldn't tempt even a marriage under the ordinance said okay for about 15 years. What does German law say? Say basa German law so recognize say no okay obi aka say obi in Germany until the marriage is dissolved officially at the Standesamt like KMA, AMA or a court. It only do a day ban. I agree. Ghana hakra no say ordinance marriage a court pen it me pronounce say it is the other America say enyensa and it dissolve it marriage.
And yeah, any baby on ma a good in reality them aka court
sure.
Na
but once a court the end the bema seal of approval no. Say court the end the marriage is still alive.
Okay.
Say two ninyina unse bi on ma ye fie de ni wie
yes
na asa court
absolutely
eti say yemfa say mami die
mami say no mo you can convert a customary marriage to ordinance but you cannot convert an ordinance marriage to customary and then we fie de we are ultimate sign court
no ba untimi ka say o court de no dane na be fie
e be ma kwa me waware bie waka ho
enti mami de yemfa ne say o ye fie de no ye court de
e mami ben
eno say wadi
okay
eti say ye kofie ye no ho ade Ghana ha na omkodu Germany na omkoye ordinance no so kan ho
yes
no say se wo den fan so den sakura kofie no agya fie de no a until se court de no ye betwetwa mu no
yes
still omoda so
the court ordinance na ordinance ni take precedence over
fie de no but obi asem Ayeka nyina no o se mo sha asem mo kama edin because asem no aye bebre aye nwonwona na sebo anhweye na wo fa ba ko de se ne wo kan se emmansa mankrata aba oyire pani me kura de me nkan oyire pani because the man he didn't say it anywhere say me oyire pani me oyire ketwa me ne okan stage amete ye ne say me yire Akosua Serwaa matisika awa anwo
Akosua Serwaa and now or refer to
any Serwaa Germany no Germany ni no
okay
time anu was sign it say amanfo say wono poison no poison no ne mimete yes me de no na ye adwuma ti na make say nsem na ye bebre
picture you know Germany the anyway
on the nifa no David Germany Akosua Serwaa na open oba panyin no
okay
enti mami de asem Ayeka no won obi mami de ne nsam ankrata aba Lumba niamma so krata aba ansana ne mo ka se emma so de aba emma de na ya kan ye ntie se ndem ntie ne aba bia mahwem na woni mo ha adwen pa was ansemi mu commentators
mfiafia hofo no
omo kasa
wo tata ho wo mo ye o maye se maami Akosua Serwaa nam fofo eni ye wo Bronii nam fofo se tim Akosua Serwaa tim wefo no wo mo ya bofo che wo bia
na story
wo bitimi beka na we ya be counter eno na akotwetwe nsemi nyina ba nhwe ya papa ye yiyo ye wo se Ghana for yon wo se ne wo se ye sikai no mo de se
1 week here kama
because nipa kro a wuliki sa Akosua Serwaa krata se ne no odi koja no wo ye nipa bone fo che wi ase nipa nyina
na JP wo
ye bronsam che wo bi a kire se
onipa no em se ade ne boyi no because de na agenda no ko de ba no amfa because later we can claim more eniema emremu no eni se be ma de be yo ba eni die e bro to the extent so nipa no to be pra edimu dem
we na be say we and also there are grounds for the
exactly it's not about papa na
reasonable behavior
enti mamienu no mamienu ni mesre wo say niye wo so wota wachi wo so mo ya we say so domia I want to protect the legacy of nipa no a mebua no be ma no a me ne tena ye no etie bia ye ntwa so adwobre confusion bebrebe nyina abusuapani ansa baby owo bia abusuapani adwen
on the why then
hwe wo communication de bia me ka say in communication say enye compose say obi me the microphone be gina wanim na me bisa wasem. Now if you don't have anything saying you should talk. Me you going to be for so me mama nka senti na to da obi won more the call say I don't have any information about what you will be saying. Obi so one more say I'm not ready to talk now. Obi so one more say mama nko hwehwem. Ni nyina ye answers ya ye tire ye
now say abusuapani why
abusuapani asem ni see ye say pe na na de unim say media no enye ye traditional media you bloggers obi dimirika na okohwe abusuapani asa ye so jegu abusuapani chem se won kasa
wanto na no nareka
na abusuapani ba ye no say ye se afro obi Bronii media minim se Lumba wo yire fe no Bronii ne minim ya Akosua Serwaa abusuapani asem na mekan say enekura de social media ka se china kopa yebenya abusuapani ne ka asem na wo abusuapani kro no akotwa ho 360
na osan be ka den
na wo sa be ka kire mo sa be ka kire ye say ni abusuanim se Lumba wa no eyo Bronii wa no ye say
the same abusuapani
from Babeja man krata ya wonum twro de ba ye eno na chese lawyers achemu nipa achemu eso still ase nipa bi nti ase say oba no de emfa say o initiate ye say ka me pese mi ja waye be ma ne grante
no
one grante
na numpo no once here ordinance marriage there initiation should be at the court when you what the nsako
no say no almost so much na
lawyer for the bread that the Lumba
Akosua Serwaa
the Germany no ejapade a Lumba ne wo de o gie free mu adani nyina akro board ni nyina no so onye renovation no fa adani nyina menti no o spelling ni nyina out
and that is a file divorce petition there or file petitions of divorce
eno krata ne bai
krata no mo de beto ho so mo ka kire na enu nyina achi mfie bebre achi na Lumba gina simpie so ka kire se me yira Akosua Serwaa amati sika wa no ema mienu ni nyina obi ani hono mo a wa amre papa ihu ena ne ewo mo so ne se emra no de wo ye nda ba bi e da ne da wa wo ye side chiku se wo ye side chika se emra no side chika se mumu ase ne wo je no akwaje se wo ye yire ne ye hwade so a you have a dance here che say no papa no oware bi ka panyin no ntuntim ka nchem se me so menya yire ni nyina ye omo ye dede wa abonti so nyina ntina me na me pese me de ma no kra be
there are new maybe I will say establish the over Ghana have Bronii no ono so no abusua ne ka se abusua panyin ka se ono no munim no
according to krata ba bejama o different no one no ba ya no wo kire mu se eno se wa ne de krata ba se o de o hyebetu ayie no so a ni omu de omunim ya abusua nim ene se odo Bronii according to letter now say according to ni abusua panyin ka
odo Bronii no munim
abusua panyin kuro ya so edika ka say one day say one wonim
I think the Ebema Newman na clear and say we have to establish if that the Lumba any Germany in our area if it is still a valid marriage and no but say dissolve properly then end of story
me dear un say you dissolve no na say ye fan say that the Lumba san ye odo Bronii ho ade ko ye fie de ni nyina bongalata na say ye adwuma bongalata nya adwuma
bongalat na kire say
bogos
void ab initio
na de ntina am person obaji bongalata ni bogos
void ab
initio what terms
it is a no ordinance marriage no if it has not been dissolved through the proper process, then any other marriage biano void ab initio.
Because argument among for the back and we are na we na tsena nchen and the DNT no wama
and no yemisa a lawyer for no say mo de terms no so na wa ware ye ordinance na mama yenti asese ordinance ni makwan say but mama state say me no sa de ekoso no obi mini position bia omo ankasa e no muti omu gya ho emra no de ka de abusua ka omo ankasa hunu kwan omo de befa so a e yo omo masem but yenti ase se na no na ye treat odwa so obi se abena me ni be ma net dem be ma tu dankwara dem Amankwaa meda oba na sama wakanye o se waye ordinance I regret it even though say aware no muntimi wie court de nse dissolve be mate ne ba before years be ma ne nada wona ne nya sheda enti divorce until say we be ko say makwa kwaje say divorce nkrata na ma ye free from nipa no untumi ka say aware no majai court but court no men ko enti
ubetimi a separate but the marriage is still active
ordinance ye hu
entina sentina e contract e mo no india was na mo declare declare say we dissolve
ye kan hu nipa bebre aja ware ye ordinance no omo ja ware obi e bo ne bra ba court de no mo refi so mbeko
of course
inti e tsena bi ni se bi si a oba ne timi pie ba beka say me
absolutely
even though say oba anasa eyire duties ni nyina no we jai for years
but
obeba beka so oguso
divorce na then our real that
if you send the better care said obi etumi afa processes ni so ordinance aware o jai se mu nyina mo agree se mu be jai a ba etoda ba ko se metiase ba ko ntiase
and now be property ne ho issues and now say we say court ni make orders be se nkwala wo mu ni ade ha and e ma ne eche no ba anya sa ade a enya de be che when the two parties no are agreeable on the issues na enya de
say
once you marry under the ordinance a court ne betime declare dissolved. Absolutely. And you have to go through the process and ensure say court no. And to make us say into the other German in the say under German laws no. Say we worry under the ordinance. Now must separate it for 15 years and over. Germany mra ekasen. Because Ghana mra no says separation about for that longer a easy ground for divorce. You understand? Wait my court akwa che ja say minimi kunu aware for 15 years ni.
Nipa no be kono onu na awi.
Me dey wase a obi. Asam na Ayeka ni nyina na nye Ghana court kora na ehwe anim German court.
That's what we under German law.
Eti German court na ehwe anim na ebe free wono mo aba.
Yeah, what German law says under circumstances say, you know, was a what na our real
free one media sa case we wan huni be free mo aba bia yehwe hunu ma wo ba bia be ma bia if so nim
my kan we
manage ni here me pa person
amanka some mu distance ho from dede no no mu distance
almost say it has come to our attention that there is an ongoing court process regarding the funeral and burial arrangement of our beloved father, the late Charles Kwejofosu, affectionately known as Daddy Lumba. We, the children of Akosua Serwaa and Daddy Lumba, we're Germany, you know. Akosua Serwaa is Germany. Also, we, the children of Akosua Serwaa and Daddy Lumba, wish to clarify that we are not parties to this legal process and that we do not wish to be involved in any dispute or conflict surrounding the funeral arrangement. Our only desire is to honor our father's memory in a dignified, respectful and peaceful manner, befitting his remarkable life and contributions. We stand together as his children from all sides of the family, united in our love and respect for our father. At this difficult time, we wish to focus solely on celebrating his legacy and ensuring a fitting farewell. We kindly ask the general public, especially the media and social media commentators, to be measured and respectful in their commentary regarding the family, any ongoing legal matters and the funeral arrangement. We believe our father deserves a farewell that reflects the peace, dignity, and unity he valued in life. In the way, Charlene Fosu, daughter of Daddy Lumba, for and on behalf of the children of Akosua Serwaa Fosu and Daddy Lumba.
Tell distance your mo.
Yeah, omo say omo feed omo focus on so omo papa yi kama na bibi enti. And I think it's the most reasonable thing to do. Now there should be Panyin bi wo fear obeka say hey, hold on, guys. Let's focus. Let's focus on.
Obi say yes, yeah. Penny wo fear calling nipa to order no. Abusua penny no. Abusua penny we so na dey confusion aba. Because you media mama reason ti am say abusua penny na dey confusion aba. Enti and stop me say oh me ni reason. Me reason na me dey am say.
Me say we say ebia wo nim de ono nim.
Ni wo nim. Ni onim odi ka beka se we ne yire no asa beka se we ne yire na na se de hin na minimo o ma men kama se mo obi ni
family spokesperson na calling so Amankwaa honorable o wa homa no so ma meni ni nkoma mesan aba honorable akwa be te sen
yeah lawyer
bibi aboko de
yakopo wado
and this is here no eye no ho nhye na kosi sen
that's it now. My man clarified today. I'm not the spokesperson for the family. I'm the coordinator.
Yeah, funeral coordinator.
Yes, coordinator.
Hey, and the chum be coming. Okay, to us, man.
Yes, and there's a publication where your best friend. A far again, she shall home a money see in a home kita home be no dear. You see, Abusua Panyin and Abusua no any funeral planning committee no any official legal representatives for the family central for person mo bisa hon bibia ni tichu ye Abusua Panyin ti ye pese ye mam hon say mon disregard the unofficial communications if you free be blogging baby eba e be mo parody song your spokesperson or PROs for the family, no, your sanction will be the promotion. As far as the late Charles Kojofosu, popularly known as that the Lumba final female rights, no, is concerned, no, your best said official communication, you know, regional Abusua attending. So now, because our chairman for the funeral planning committee.
That's fine. Baba Jamal and associates, Omoye, why more lawyer for her?
Omoye, the late that Lumba lawyer.
Because Osho almost statement Omodia Benyana almost say lawyers for the Fosu royal family.
Yes, that the Lumba, that the Fosu. And the Fosu family, no, or more referred to that the Lumba.
Meaning that the Lumba personal lawyers.
Then the personal lawyer. As I say, or that form until some do that. So the nefa baby, yeah, they are still in the court and
That's true.
Yes,
and look at another interesting issue in the whole.
Yes, into also Baba Jama Chambers and the Chinem at the Abusua.
Oh, okay. In the at least statement be a bit free. Baba Jamal and associate or Bebano. Yem fan say official statement Abusua endorse it, right?
And content no be who say omone Abusua no and na edin kita ho BBM.
That's fine. From where you sit as coordinator for the funeral, no, December 6th na Marche no, a year ni beba so that day until say a court of competent jurisdiction be decided otherwise.
That's correct. So until say be a court no best to be otherwise as scheduled. So come December 6th and 7th, Abusua Betnati, Asante Mantem, Krupon, Kumasi, na Abusua Anom, Nisikasa, said ye, you on say, Etienne, all things being equal.
But for the funeral planning committee, because injunction no is supposed to be placed on the funeral no, more as a planning committee, you know, na more parties to the suit and almost several.
Yeah, parties to the suit, but Abusua Panyin chairs the funeral planning committee.
Okay,
and is being served, and it is deemed the funeral planning committee, you know, is aware of court proceedings. Okay.
Okay, the court is sitting tomorrow.
Yes, court is sitting tomorrow. Yes.
Oh, that's fine. And I think it's only fair say about train who the court never can because the injunction application into would wait and see what the court would say, and it was not assign Edin Kobobio. Why?
Very well. The man is once assembly be a court no. You ever said the court in the Bejai, I'm a court marker. Now faces over no. A be more so message. They should desist from going on social media. A good nipa who feels that the Abusua Panyin. And yes, a will be betting me a fast or the name of the truth. Or your Panyin or Barbara, may not sure say Ghana will be a better now saying Abusua Panyin. And in from just because Papa no pass on J. Abusua Panyin has someone okay. You be not the main Abekin. Say, what kind of money statement?
Yeah, my kind of money statement.
Yes. The late that Lumba fiancé. What kind of Abusua boom? The might na omuya bakope. No crane papa cracked off from Ukwankwade na omuna bibia manu amama no makabum. It then ena panifo bia yenyina bi ye dinchini ye betim ye to na mo bi emergency mu aba. Abusua Panyin aka asisu dia se ono die e kwan bi ya wo se oka eye ne disha onya ne bedi kro abusua ne bom bititu ne ma no eno wa na mo e na otu nyina ka ho bi enti na oba bontene be ka se pam no twa no wakata obia mfumso so ya ye dipe obia mfumso na emum obehwe se obema koye eni pepe abase ne be ya ye nyina ye de adwenko and akomako betman aye sebi ye any ya can so now waiting ya pe ne dishe no crab and the way there's no dispute and if I don't be at a sort of far kwanya we so na omu egu ni hu fit said the wako can be in the concert worker. It's not fair.
Okay, but do you subscribe to a more this whole confusion? No, maybe a for the want of a better expression, no, flip-flopping of Abusua Panyin a day, confusion when you know Abba.
You see, from onset, no, I would blame partly the media because Utia Abusua Panyin a mere deal at all for no. The cranny the one no sense no and root a crowd and quickly now century be I didn't feed you see ho. Kobe said Abusua Panyin said would be uncle interview ni you. Kobe said Abusua Panyin said Abusua Panyin what to say or this year no we're free mu no say ya me this year kwajo there be kwajo dey free mu say menti se me mo anan e fa me ni me hwe say kwajo and the dahoya me jitu mu a enye yi and na central ni no young girl no be can say na what is say na yin ketu an say onimo Abusua ni bia ye ni you very provocative question and Abusua Panyin ko ka say media me to me nim nipa na wa kasa me nim wayiri bia for obi an ko tie interview no subsequently na Abusua Panyin say obesere ono an kasa letu abofo na abofo na baba behwe otu abofo ono an wo fa se no ema omo ebo anan eba islemon eba behwe say ampa kojo ekwekura eno omo ebo na mane anka na Abusua Panyin tutu ne ntoma eba ye ebe di ne nisa behwe say ampa kojo akwato ensan eno kura na fie hono na ofo person odi nani ekohwe emu no esa to aso eko transition wo ko hunu se ampa ne dehie ene da hono ansa na mamre kwan so no okosi emani ni enu nyina se mukuno ena eda fom no enti amamre kwan so na odi nsa sabi ekoma Emanum you know. Ah, Chese, Asumdue wo o have video night said the woman in a cabo moon. O share 1 week said ye is he call ye. Fefe. I said ye. Na akwa ye to say be a no person me yes, we just person me yes. Ah, Chese. Amma kwaya manipa no be di bia kem kete afem. Obetimi ka say that the Lumba. That the Lumba. A Janet Chitantanta. Well, Janet Chitantanta day. So, what do you be a woo? Said then, ah, Chese, a man upon movie my a good moving. For what reason? If you have
but have Maba to a firm conclusion who the wife of Daddy Lumba is.
Wife of Daddy Lumba is defined by law. And
yes, but I want you as
so you see, another misconception. Any panel be deliberately and intentionally created out there. On say, make a sign to be some friend, and I'm saying, oh, in fact, widowhood rights, say kunaya is at the behest or at the discretion of the deceased family, and you purely based on customs and tradition. And I'm a kata. Masama make cannot say be na men administrative law. Now the customary law say obi wa oba wa wo no oba bi kunu wa.
Yes.
Wo ye widow. Be na be yiri wa wo ye widow wa and defined by law. Tinya family bi na da ka obi ye kuma kunani. Na mo family no a ye wa wo ni free mu no. Say over performance our widowhood rights, you know. And no dear, it's at their discretion. Sabi me as Antiniba. And I'm here the Shikai. And a minimum mambrani and money. It's a minimum say more American put the name for public education. Say any panum bide. Oh, no, college now, now, Monsieur Mate.
But it's also because of say under customary law, no him say the performance of widowhood rights, no prima facie, it may establish why a year or year, you know that.
Lawyer,
Honorable,
to the best of my knowledge, as far as I'm concerned, customary speaking, a year, a bushia on this year that for money. Omo na chire se mpobra be yi ukuna gaaye niema wo de be kwa ko chire no abusua na be gia tum sampa be yi ukuna gaaye fafa ye ka ho asem no in fact abakose mu no kra na we do who drives no na a form of punishment na sabi abefu niema asesa to a sense na is becoming fanfare only say uko akana mambe ifo ofa mfantia de wawo no oni se okunu ewu na ye ma no okunu da ma de tin but wo ji start any tun
yes those days na isi
yes oni se amamre kwan so kra no se wo na wo ye oyere no anamu amu ye yere no no se mo pese mo ko hwe emu no okunu ani atia oni se o se mo ko ji permission ewo abusua ne ho ansa ne amama ko hwe efunu no.
Okay, inti I take it say as we speak no Ebusiano Emma to a firm conclusion who is the recognized legally married wife of Daddy Lumba, right?
Listen, Abusia Panyin ora Victor Kofi Owusubuan we otumfo brem kon Abusia Panyin of Akosua ne suka aka say obeya hwehwemu no wo hu no say
okay
emma no mienu nyina no ne dehie no eye wo ho ade tiyo that was interviewer and the man no ba the can say based on this in no emma ni nyina be yekuna ente hona akofa issue na ba eti emma ni mienu nyina ebe yekuna no Abusua Panyin die ogina amama ni amane so ene say bi ayaye obi ho ade no a wono no adanse wo ho no de ono so ontiment ne nana no montem to ka mo nyina bom eti wono agene ne kura no de beto abontene no na ye nkabo mu de yes as to say we legally married wife of the deceased Chaskojofusu and now say we onye legal wife no and I make say asemu bi akwakodi as in Libya. That determination will come from competent court of jurisdiction. Name efa eye no hwehweye ene sabi emu ni fie no de meni wo nyina say a basic knowledge. Supreme Court has made determination on this very issue. There's no dispute. Say if you know Abusia dia sure. Exactly. Maybe concern say na plan ben ye be faswa ye betimi I sure a befitting barrier for the late Daddy Lumba. And na me coordinating. So the issue of our SM na babu money dia me say I don't want to talk about it.
Very well. I will grant you that. But I will say in the interest of peace, no, Abusia Panyin, based on the fact say Charles Kojofosu ma miuni na ho ade me say under customary law no Abusia Panyin decided say omumi enu nyina be sukuna ewe ye na de asumdwe aba. Is that the case?
Na de asumdwe ne pere aba because that is to the best of Abusia Panyin customary asem na make you.
Yeah, I get you.
Yes. And you know say na say na ko di quarter. And say ni say when na ensa krabi ya ma me ba for return and ensa na ebobo ban. I don't want to go there because the end say na di asumdwe no ebeba di asumdwe no beba ne say wo say nyina yesi nkonya na empanifo edu wanu tum say yesremo asemi kura obi anteda then na say be dem manager for no and na ye ba bebu ne mu fe media to the best of my knowledge me susu say litigation has no end and it is only out of court settlement and na e beyi me na sepo every wo antisa court make a determination kra na me na sepo be ko so atina ho ama no so emma sa cohesive spirit of the family no enye adwuma so I'm only pleading say it's not late court no dey yebeko na emumu no afanu nyina yeti ye ho ase a court no so need choice than to listen to our plea.
Okay.
Ho no na me say enka muma ye nyina yamfa ya no entum na yenhwe say peri ye
Mate. Okay, we say litigation has no end. In fact, the law recognizes at a point litigation would have to come to an end. And they give you back to the concept of res judicata.
It has to come to an end.
Absolutely.
Only me ya organize lawyer. You court, no court. Edin no matter
That's fine.
You can apply.
Yes.
But my ceremony so and ya obi kratili ko di obi ewu
no be no mpo no umpa utimi appeal
and I will appeal na koko Supreme Court na court judicial review at the end of the day but could still na ya oni woni mu than say what dey the Bronii be cheno na what japun etimedie eno na ma me hu say manson wo we eni awie.
That's fine. My whole story be on my joy online. CC I say Daddy Lumba's wife and sister demand probe into his death. 15th October, which is the widow and elder sister of the late high life musician Charles Kwadwo, popularly known as Daddy Lumba, have called for an independent investigation into the circumstances surrounding his death, which occurred on 26th July 2025 in Ghana. In a statement issued on 13th October, Mrs. Akosua Serwaa Fosu, Lumba's wife based in Germany, and Miss Ernestina Fosu, Lumba's elder sister, said the family was deeply concerned about conflicting account of how the 60-year-old musician passed away. Where my joy online story and
no check it source no my joy baby the
statement. Okay, the statement is embedded in the story. Any letter here, so your press release. Widow and sister of the late Mr. Charles Kwadwo, Daddy Lumba, call for clarification and investigation into his death in Ghana. Place and date: Accra, 13th October 2025. Issued by Family Secretary on behalf of Mrs. Akosua Serwaa Fosu, widow, and Miss Ernestina Fosu. That I'm not sure issued by Family Secretary.
So I say when na unofficial communications are caused just to create confusion in the system because royal family of a corner royal family of Akosua in Sudan or more monetary.
Yes.
And say if you hope that's what's neighbor and not to me might be a way we corner blogging be and any natural because Abusua secretary Gabriel entry. Meanwhile, the third release and our sign. It becomes difficult. Say Obama the prominence. But to the best of my knowledge, Sebi, as we speak, the cause of death now, Abusua no enu. The opposite. Ogunu di eku no.
Okay.
Obopini Abusua penyina obekuno.
Meaning say
and ye eni kwa eno die muntimi si obia so kwan se obeka se bia of de ko bia for forensic anase or per se sign call ye bia another or second autopsy.
Yes.
To secure second coroner's report. And nobody can begrudge anybody. But to what end? To what end? And yet to what end? And then you discuss it as you will on air. It's so pathetic. Lawyer, So when Panyin was highly private person.
Yeah.
Daddy Lumba. I am a small way and daddy no new wedding come on wedding come. Make kaka meaning fan of one say. Daddy Lumba baby nin come on woody na e wodi ese oni woody. Onye obi a no de nsem to abontene. Meme ti hoyi. Ono a onye na mayosem wa abontene. But the bar mayosem a ubija Roman father woni so Collins dey ono na me ni di mama yosem nkomodo do na. What did they mention?
Yes.
Enti papa ye besre. Ya mana sombie.
Asem.
Father emo ya so what na chire na wo hwe se enipa no bi tete ne sre ni abasa boni be na waye boni a waye no de wanya boni da no onkoto bo mo ne de Daddy Lumba ba be ye no so no kwa ni be ma wadi kan ya kofa ema nine ne wo ma wo nkwada ba wiase a monkoto bo na mo mo no aden I just say, I say, we do more fun to say, and your full-time job. Full-time job. Social media. Yeah, what you say? You go beyond. Can you be ordinary? I know better what say, maybe I know. Now, yeah, the Nakakoto WhatsApp. Now, you good in fee, yeah, the Echo TikTok. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Yeah, but say, they should cease fire. Enough is enough. A man me no mo komo mo no mo se eye o mo frɛ mo o mo da mo ase eye adwobrɛ o mo ma o mo kum asundwie. I think it's as simple as ABCD. As for determination ye court no be kan jama court no na mo ye nya circumspect. We should respect the dead. It appears there's no respect even for the elderly in our society now.
Very well. Now, do you perchance know, say, Daddy Lumba Oja well?
Well, I've heard it. Martin wants him, but you mean say, Yakupon ya don't not say, you pay the crab baby, we shall pay the crab baby. Me OGD say, no lawyer or theater, no lawyer. And he, na lawyer for no, ever baby chichum. Say oye wola a lawyer for the beba. Say wanya wola a lawyer for no the beba.
Very well. Mate, honorable me na say bibia na ebese di nkomo bio. After otena court no we'll talk again. Why?
Very great.
Yeah, that's it. And that's Collins Owusu Amankwaa, or a coordinator Emma Daddy Lumba funeral planning committee, you know, on or coordinate your more activities, you know, so that be meeting me a ye kama de ama Daddy Lumba. It's unfortunate, sir, these conversations are dominated. But let me say, sir, Nyameya Domna Ekobase Ojawela. It will go a long way to address a lot of the issues.
Yeah.
Because Obeshano underlining we ni okay, be a Japadi be na me ba beshreme na me babre and also may influence
yeah.
It Ojawela Ghana yemra no recognize the friend testamentary freedom. In the me testator no. Se me kase equia and the Japadi na onfa.
Law
recognize me freedom. The only way under I think section 3 of the Wales Act no me bar only 18 years. Me mommy and I think me yere can go to court say me tiase no me nana me share omunyina but me wu yo mo share will no manya omo hwe e wo will nim. The court no can then look at circumstances ni nyina na omate Japan kakra e den e the amount but say me ba wedi more than 18 years there say mama ni bibia court na enka hwe
kobobra
and I think me ba less than 18 and my parent and me year in count
okay
me year in count I have to confirm but I think me year in count it me ba only 18 years and me parent me tiase na me na me share omo se me nya omo hwe omo wi omo a they can come under section 3 of the World's Act na court na PBB e de amount
that's nice.
The court will respect my testamentary freedom. Any number one.
Okay.
Number 2, say it's section 13, make a section 3, sorry. Yeah. Section 13 of the Wales Act. Number 2, say me enya will and so say mote the popular PNDC law 111. Tia no ye be banda PNDC law 111. Emrana ma how I che ejapade no.
Okay.
Oyere dia obenya parents di ombenya nkwala di ombenya ena customary success ani po obedi ma ade dia bibia wo ho krogen kama enti nansen na ya na problem no nhyeda anye bebre se first na PNDC lo ho ani obehwe na ntokwa na ya pama oyere ni frifie sisi anu nioma atoto ya problem bia enhyeda inde enti ye mompa se oja well na settle nioma wanya well nso a we go under PNDC law 111 na obi anya ne de wo so nya na asumdwe aba and this thing about say yen hwehwe ewuo ni ade eku ja sisi omo ye dodo
chese ya broso afede wo me se wuribia omo se entichemu miensa baabi na ye se according to the better abonti obi oken kan kakra yi ese deal that Lumba efe na danfo bi so omra fie na danfo no kodru fie honom no oma ma ne kwan ma na nkohu no ohwen be 2 hours we hu no ene okoye ena later no te se chese wa hwe ne nkwa afi ebi so ohwe ne nkwa wo fie ebi so kwan po se da bi hospital the bank hospital no kohwe ne nkwa ebi si diabetes ebi so se na ne nan ye ne ya chese story na ko ebebe ntia no according to salete ye ba ye ya ye kenkan bi o my joy no omo ede ye nyina so se ase narration akoye miensa akoye conflicting as to said there way no munyin tum no omo suspect foul play etie ne ehwehwemu nkoso
na but obi ye na ase omo ye ndodo
na in the end into office obi te say Daddy Lumba say owu a ye nye postmortem
ye be ye enti na wo say
postmortem report ye de ma abusia this thing about say na afa ye nkohwehwem na conflicting way it's creating this whole way around ye ni owu ni
na say ya ye mpa de enti na wo say dede e wo hu say ya ye awie de a de enti na wo say dede wo
omo he say request for another coroner's inquest to say dem who statement na dem kind
so omo no ni omo kan say hifo na gina ho me ye ana end encounter
na say busia wo ana busia panyin ni ho
ana busia panyin
wo ka say na busia
say ba postmortem de emfa de waka dada ho ana say de on kan e wo ho report ne wo ho
busia panyin asem a me kan nya ne waka nku enna me ka say enti na to da ne bi won ma ne bisa panyin nu fie because eniema say nyina no omo edi letters ibe nyina ya busuafo obi commentators in the show mo ma no no mo de donwere but omo edi nkrata eba no emma nuamma oyire
yes
lawyers omo nyina no abusuapani wo control wo omo so say bia lawyer for no na abeyi omo afiri mu a omo aka nyina abusuapani wo control wo omo so
that's true
enti abusuapani ntumi exercise ne powers as abusuapani enkoli nipa no a eye dede nyina sada bi efie wo ho no mo ya asembia no ye ka fie he ya ne bebe nti momra wo a wo ha obi afabra
as say na calling say abusuapani yae so say in the interest of peace intino because he can confirm say omunyina Charles Kodofo so be ye omo ho ade wo fie no obe mo omunyina aye your friend is saying kuna you say omusu we your friend saying omo be kuna den
be kuna
ombe su kuna o say
na omo wo amamre ne senso
na aye na bi asumdwe aba
na asumdwe ma ye nti abusuapani ni ade foforo bi abaye
edisi onya den
wonu aka se so wo ye no aka se pani wo no mo a ye woni ye wotumi kasem emafie ye din ye wo bibi sa wo
asa waka so obi mo mienu nyina ma ye
unless mo nyi ntumu se mo mienu nyina na se ba ko nyi ntumu se the other say deserving of that right
pani so tie
but obi me de kakra meka wasem ye hu ne se Daddy Lumba tie ase se wugina ba bi obi kra ne hu se ma ye tie ye bebre we ye ntida se panyina babontie be kasa abeyi bibia no enye se ni wachi a megiri se bia na ehyehyɛ nkrofo ho kra na ema bonten nipa bi enya kokodro gina social media ekasa te sese de okomu fia bibia ye perfect no yenya hweye untumi fa frustration ne de wo go through wa worry man na se ofie no me take advantage of asama bena ummepoa wo frustration megu obi aso
amanfo te papa no
yes enya tem de di nkrofo di enti panyin ti asi na wa kokodro wa sa akoma no ne ahode ne se obeye sa eni nyina no yesi esie ho ye friend say esie ho esie ma no kwan a ye bi boa me sa ebe no
esie ne
na wo na
esie ma kwan aboa bia ramu bi so ati asie aboa bia ramu ti no asat na no man me de so boa kese pa ebe boye maami Akosua Serwaa ne odo Bronii nyina
no mo do ma yeden
esa se dia be documents epie ni nyina no se enfiri efie pe na se deal na ho asam documents won ma obi emma bonten enti se babia mo yedu no eye omu seize fire because social media na dede no kokoto a enye sentiments ade to social media na koto de kwa kansem they should leave the man na wa free mo no yenkopa no krabre na babia no wafie bia ne hodoma beka se hade asumdie fie obi a perfect 100% unya enti yenya botere na yentu yebo obebo ne bra wajan kwara watire emma media me mo science no say obi free musa no a nipa medwe wo mo ho eye ma ene se woja awofo a omo na medwe wo mo ho kese pa
na ne yere de wonwen na ho
obi me say me metia me oba but me no ya omo a eye me focus eye emma ya woja wo mo ene ma me ni papa because ma me ni papa de bia me ka say nanu na me kuru na me yiri ni enye na but first na me ma me nie obi what be da first me papa ne wonti be da it nipa na wo depend on an wo hwe se odusi no chese etu ana se efi ho no mo a chese wa wie ya no no age unya drofo bi obeso mu se de na oba no ekita wo enti dede bebrebe nye kasa ye mama kwan enti wa mama Akosua Serwaa ene ayimi nua ba odo Bronii super kofo super dead Lumba social media enti ye mo fe manage home.
Yeah, but to say at this time, so or more macquino may be unfair.
And I make say,
especially so when you name baby,
obi documents, but documenting. To say the yema midi course or the koja warrior. Not the other trouble, the trouble on this or the other day to make a case say, no, filing on a year.
Filing
the koja warrior, the one that the better one thing.
Make us on the better one thing.
I say, or filing petition or court, a very public document. But for filing or court.
Anti yeah, myself man. Enti obi media dey say o madam ma koto dwe me nya ekran ka mebu koto dwe wa ha omu sizifa na social media commentators no monka manuntum na modi a motete ho krampo no yesi ye de beto abonten a awanse na nyina bede ho afa omu nya kasa na nya fine
Everybody, omo private award.
Me so mo do mo frustration ma wale na beka ho.
Omo dey good at the Lumba.
Because obi one ma dey Akosua what the same situation mu. Then when you opportunity on yi na ko mu se mu nyina nwo wonom. Wo wo asem account dey.
Nhwehwe nim na ya do.
E ya do so. Adan.
Omo
e dey nko an
na me na nim no na me wo information
na go. Na ko si hen. Obi nasa munya.
Omo ni cancel ni na ntronko.
Onim no so no
onim no baby ya. One other thing they say we are talking a man now over 200 songs. Sa 200 songs no anya ye mu be 180 hits. We should be celebrating Daddy Lumba,
such a legend,
for what he did for this country, and he is a cultural icon for Ghana. It's unfortunate. Fortunately, from the time I 21 week the focus was on Daddy Lumba Nyoma Wabo, how big he was, how massive and talented he was. Unfortunately, year 1 week new year and focus a change. And I think as a country, let's stay focused. He is clearly not a perfect human being. Nobody is, but he's left an indelible mark in this country. We have to celebrate that.
your former husband the krompa we are proud of so beka say dear now and maybe a chim no ye kunu and that's why you be crown na chim pna pa ya some me no kra anya bibida you would have been proud of yourself you nyasa no be anya perfect you nyasa
inti ye be movie on na finally no me reference section 13 for the purpose of education of the Wales Act. Requirement for an application to be successful, an applicant must prove the following point to the High Court: they are dependent of the testator. In the now testator ni dependent, either the father, mother, the spouse in the Nigeria count, or child under 18. The application is made no later than 3 years after probate of the will was granted. The testator failed to make reasonable provision for the applicant, either during their lifetime or by their will. The applicant is suffering or will likely suffer hardship as a result of this lack of provision. Considering all relevant circumstances, the applicant is entitled to support from the estate. They also proven say now we are dependent. Na nipa oye will no wa amount chefebia e wo will them. Na waka makod na ti ase se because of saade no ye nti no ohun be kyerɛw e wa abrabom se court no amma wafa ohun be kyerɛw e di court ni egi sa application ni wi a obehwe neoma ni nyina together na afi waka say okay especially se nipa ni ja residual clause be or will ni ma properties be wa amfa mo bia and the point to ne red court ni betimi ayi no bi na amode amount e dey was say wo ye ne papa ne maame ne yere
and ne ba wo nya 18